Hi, this is Lorenzo from KGEAR, and today I'm going to present GP18. GP18 is one of our top-selling products and is made of an 18-inch subwoofer with a 4-inch voice coil and a ferrite magnet. The column is simply installable with a special connector on the bottom and on the top as well that you can use interchanging the three modules. They are all the same. The GP18A features a 4-channel amplifier. Each channel has 1500 watts RMS of power available, and it's made to drive a passive unit. So basically you create a stereo system combining a passive GP18 and an active one, GP18A. Then you can expand this configuration to up to 3 passive units, as the amplifier is capable to drive them all. So with one active GP18A, you can drive up to 3 GP18. The amplifier is made in collaboration with Powersoft, and it has a DSP which is controllable via Armonia Plus configuration software. There are 4 presets available, which I'm going to show you in a second, and each preset can be customized and stored depending on your needs. GP18 and GP18A are a perfect system for medium-sized events and all those applications where the line array features are needed. So where you're looking for a good coverage and a long throw, GP18A and GP18 are the perfect choice. The subwoofer on GP18 and GP18A is made in plywood, and it has a special connector on the top side, which I'm going to show you in a second. So if you remove the column sticks, which I'm doing here just to show you, you will see there's a special connector exactly like the ones you find in the columns, and simply you just put the column like this and you're ready to go. So it's a very easy setup for a system with this kind of performance. Some accessories are available as well, like a case for the columns, a cover for the sub, as well as a ground mount base for the column if you want to separate the column from the sub. This can be done. This is GP18 base, the accessory that is made to separate, so detach the column from the sub. It has a special speak-on connector here, which allows you to basically detach the column and put it on stage, or simply if you want to hide the subwoofer, this is a perfect accessory that allows you to do it. This is GP18A's back panel. It's the same panel that you can find in all the other 18 and 218-inch subwoofers by KGEAR. It has a few controls, essential but very effective. So first you can see the LEDs for clip and temperature limiting, the signal LED and the status LED. There's a gain knob here, RJ45 connector to connect your PC and be able to control the system through Armonia Plus. Preset selection. Now I'm pushing a button here to switch between the presets. As you've seen, it was loading, now it's ready. 2 inputs because the amplifier has 4 channels, so in case you're using more systems, so you're combining an active GP18 with at least 1 passive unit, you're able to work in stereo mode with 2 inputs. If you still need to work in mono mode, you can do it as well. There's a simple setting on Armonia to basically create a mono mix. So use just 1 channel as well. These are the two speak-on outputs, speak-on A and speak-on B, with an NL4 connector. So each output here is bringing two output channels from the amplifier. On speak-on A, you can connect one passive GP18 unit, and on speak-on B you can connect up to two passive units. That's because on speak-on A you're using one channel for the sub and one channel for the top on the active unit itself. While here you have another two empty channels which you can use to connect up to two subs on one channel and two tops on a second channel. This is the power connection with a power control connector. Very stable, safe and reliable. Hard to remove, so the system is very safe.